Merry meet everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I thought today I would share my traveling meditation kit. It's in this tiny little box, which if I put that up is actually as big as my finger. So it's a tiny little box. This is the inside. I glued these two pictures in because I thought they would be good for meditation. They are from the Witch's Tarot, and I love this tarot deck. And this is an old one that I had, and I got a new one. So I thought I would use the old one for decorating things. This is the outside. So just some black felt on the bottom, and some. Now what I did learn from this is, it's a learning experience doing that. Don't paint over the hinges because the box won't close properly. See that? So I'm just going to pop this in a little organza bag so that everything doesn't fall out. So I've got two little candles and two little candle holders, so they go in there nicely like that. And they're the little candle holders that I made. These are just made with polymer clay, and you make a little shape and you pop them in the oven. This is just a little vial with amethyst chips and clear quartz chips in there, which are good to hold or to have. You can sprinkle them in here, or you can hold the jar in your hands, whatever you want to do. I made some little tiles here to represent water, fire, earth, air and spirit. This here is a little incense holder. So what I need to do is cut some incense down to stick in there as well. And this is just a bottle top that I took the plastic bit out and lined it with alfoil. You could use that as an offering plate, or put some water in, put your crystal chips in, but I'm just going to use it to burn. I made this little smudge stick out of sage and rosemary. It's not dry yet, but when it's dry I'll be able to use it, and use this to smudge it in to hold the flames. So yeah, that's my little meditation box, and I'm rather pleased with it for a first attempt. I did learn a few good lessons whilst doing this, so I'm going to do a few more. So thank you for tuning in. Till next time, many blessings and merry part.